Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Nissan Sentra trunk latch. First, let's identify the common issues that prevent your trunk from opening or closing properly. These can include electrical problems like a weak battery or a blown fuse, or mechanical failures such as a broken latch or worn lock. Always start by checking your key fob and the interior release button. If those don't work, try the physical key in the lock cylinder. Now, let's get inside the trunk. You'll need to remove the trunk liner to gain access to the latch mechanism. This usually involves removing a few clips or screws. Once exposed, carefully inspect all electrical connections for any signs of corrosion, damage, or loose wires. A faulty solenoid or a broken wire can prevent the latch from engaging. You can also use a screwdriver to manually operate the latch, simulating the trunk striker, to see if it moves freely. If the latch is stiff but not broken, try lubricating its moving parts with a spray lubricant. Sometimes, simply tightening loose mounting bolts can resolve the issue. However, if the latch mechanism is visibly damaged, worn out, or if lubrication doesn't help, you will likely need to replace the entire trunk latch assembly. This often involves disconnecting a few wires and a release cable, then unbolting the old unit and installing the new one. Before you put everything back together, thoroughly test the new or repaired latch. Close and open the trunk several times using the key fob, interior button, and manual key to ensure it functions correctly and latches securely. Make sure all wires are properly reconnected and tucked away to prevent pinching. Once you're confident in the repair, reattach the trunk liner. And for those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.